when we did average rate of change on Monday, we did average rate of change on Monday, okay, we talked about finding slope, okay, which is the same thing as average rate of change or rate of change. Today, we're going to look at what kind of functions do we have based on the rate of change that we get, or the average rate of change that we get. So if we have a table, and I give you the x values, can you easily find the y values?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so you're going to look at 0 and 2. What number does 0 correspond to?
5.
5. What number does 2 correspond to? -3. So we're going to go ahead and write those as coordinate points. Write those as coordinate points. All right, now if we're trying to find the average rate of change, what are we going to use? The slope formula. So we'll have -3 minus 5, 2 minus 0. So we end up with -8 over 2, which is -4. Which is -4. Okay. Now once you get that done, go ahead and do B on your own. Try B on your own.
This confuses me so hard. So it's from, right? Because they're both -4. It's linear. The answer is. We're talking about linear.
All right, did you get -4 for B as well?
Yeah.
All right, what does that tell us? When we have a constant slope or a constant rate of change, it tells us that we have a linear function. So yes, it is linear, okay, because our average rate of change, or AROC, if you want to call it AROC, is constant.
Oh, we learned about this last year.
And 2 days ago.
We did? I remember it better from last year than 2 days ago. I remember it better from 2 days ago.
It was more great. All right, so when our average rate of change or our slope is constant, meaning we get the same number, okay, for all the different problems, that means that we're dealing with linear data. Linear data represents what on a graph? A straight line, okay? So that means if we were to graph this data, it would be a straight line. All right, next one. Now, issue, we don't have a table. We can use Desmos, okay? So get out some way to access Desmos. Okay, some way to access. Bring it down. Okay, so we're going to enter our function. Guys, yesterday I have exciting news. You no longer have to take 5 minutes to add a table. It's very quick. Once you put in your function, it's going to be really fast. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so go ahead and put in your function. F of x equals 3x plus 5. F of x equals 3x plus 5. Turn on. Okay.
How did you remember this? Do you refresh every year?
No, I just know it right now. Been doing it for so long.
7 years?
I mean, I've been teaching for 6 years, but college-wise, everything in college too. I've been 5 years in school. Long
How long
time.
did the teacher have to go to school?
Where I went to, it was 4.5 years. So I got a photography minor photography, and I went 5 years.
Extra years?
No, I went an extra, one extra semester.
I have to go 3 extra years.
Oh yeah, you want to be a lawyer?
Well, it's 2, but they're thinking about moving up another one. And now they're so sad.
All right, you ready? I'm going to show you how to add a table. This is awesome. What? All right, it's not okay.
Just change minus the 1 on the top side. Well,
Oh yeah, I know. I'm just showing you how to do it fast. Okay, press this button right here, the wheel. Press the wheel. and then you can hit table, and it'll put a table. It's 2 buttons. You hit the wheel, hit the table, add the table. Okay. Now the issue could come up where, I don't have the numbers that I need. Does anybody remember how to get a number that you need?
You can hit the enter, or you can just type the number that you need.
Yeah, so you can enter it, you can put it in the table, or remember doing this where we type like F of and then whatever number we want and it tells us the answer?
Yeah.
Remember doing that? So you can do it either way. You can add 4 to your table, or you can type it in this way. Okay? And that's how you're going to get your numbers. So let's see. I need -1 and 5. So -1 corresponds to 2, and 5 corresponds to 20. So there's my coordinate point. I'm going to let you go ahead and work. You're going to find the average rate of change for all 3 of these.
How did we edit this wrong? Because we don't.
Should get 3 for all of these. Every one should be 3. You got it?
So it's linear.
Yes, that means that it is linear. So it says, when it says, what does this imply? It implies that this data represents a linear function. Meaning, if we were to look at the graph, it should be a straight line. So you could go back to Desmos, okay, and you could look at your line, and guess what? It is straight. Okay? So yes, that confirms that it is linear.
Constant.
Constant AROC, so it is linear. Okay, that last question. The last question. How do you think you're going to do this one?
Same way.
Same exact way. So you go. So if I go back to Desmos, I'm going to x squared plus 2.
No, I'm really upset. Why did you not do me?
So you can just easily change your function and it should change everything else for you.
Well, my function just accidentally deleted it.
Right here, where it says A2 or A squared. Any other issues putting this in? If you're on your phone, there's like an A squared button. That should, it's right actually here. I can circle it up here. Okay, right here. That's how you put in a square. Okay, that's how you put in a square. Or if you have a keyboard, you can hit caret and then the 2, and that should square it as well.
This really just looks like this.
change of -3? Do we get -3 for our average rate of change?
Yes.
No?
Obviously, that's all we do is get the right answer.
We never put a number in here. We always put the ground lava. Then you put this guy, this guy. Okay, when you get done with example 3,